Get ready. One, two, three, start. Unfortunately, an average Indian thinks more of his own itself, his community, or his party than the country. The net result is lack of cooperation in almost every institution. The main spirit of live and let live has not at all entered our private and official life. Our young men and women are in no way inferior to those of any other country in the world. But the above mentioned qualities which have made Japan one of the most prosperous and highly developed countries in the world are lacking in our people. I venture to think that if we teach our younger generation the dignity of labor, sense of discipline, spirit of devotion to duty, and sincere love for the country, most of our failures will gradually disappear and will be placed high among the other forward nations of the world. Dear sir, you will remember that a short time ago you wrote to us asking if we had any vacancies on our staff. Unfortunately, at that time, we were fully staffed and I wrote to you accordingly. We are very glad to mention that we have since improved our business to a great extent by opening several branches all over the country. As a result, we now find an opening for you, and we wonder whether you would still be interested to join our institution. The position we refer to has become available in our shoe department. This is a busy and most important section of the store, and we are anxious to find a capable salesman as soon as possible. Our hours of business are from 9 in the morning till 6 in the evening of on all working days. Each member of the staff is entitled to avail himself half a day in a week. We can offer you a salary of 300 initially, and after 6 months it will be raised to 350, provided you impress us with your performance in increasing our sales. We have excellent staff, facilities, and numerous clubs which we encourage our staff to join. In case you are interested in this job, we shall be grateful if you will let us know by Monday morning so that we will arrange for you a short interview for selection. Yours faithfully, Stop.